1 year after hosting the Under-15 Europeans, Friuli Venezia Giulia welcomes 12 nations for the Under-18 Baseball European Championship.
It's another good opportunity for our region to hospitality the best A team in Europe in a category that is most important because it's the last step before the professional league, and have this event in our region is another demonstration of the good job that we have now and the good synergy with the region and with the sport of the Friuli Venezia Giulia. We are the region that spend the most money in the sport and that spend for have an opportunity to promote our territory, and is a good organization for this because we have people from the USA, people from Japan in this week, and I'm sure that Prosecco and Ronchi Legionari will be a great job for this.
Well, anytime that you can give an opportunity to young players, to young people, in a great environment like the region Friuli Venezia Giulia, where hospitality and passion are two values that are undeniable, I think it's a great thing not only for the kids but for the sport and for all the people involved in this event. And I would like to extend my best thank you to all the volunteers that have been helping for so many months and for the next week this event, because without them nothing of this is possible.